I'm Alexander Johnson, NFL linebacker for the Denver Broncos. I'm here with my Lowe's home team partner, NFL guard, Will Hernandez.
Let's hear it for the Lowe's home team.
Our friends at Lowe's and Sleep in Heavenly Peace are building bunk beds for kids that need in our community, and Will's gonna do his part to help build bunk beds.
That's right, Alexander, and I hear you're gonna build one too.
I'm pretty handy. I'm really glad the Lowe's home team is able to do this because kids all over the country are in need of beds.
So let's start building. The first step is to set up my build station.
Oh, that's looking good right there. Sleep in Heavenly Peace have provided over 50,000 bunk beds across the whole United States of America.
Being a part of the Lowe's home team has been a great way to help people who are in need of a place to sleep.
I get it. I'm a new father, and it's very important that kids have a very comfortable and peaceful place to sleep.
Now for a very important part of the bed, the headboard.
What does it mean to you to support kids in your local community?
It means a lot for me to be able to help these kids. I identify with them, I was one of them, and it's the biggest blessing in the world to be able to help out. And for the finishing touches here, let's put on the guardrail. Bet you love this piece, Alexander.
It's a joke, I'm not supposed to laugh, right? Job well done, Will.
You too, man.
To learn more about this project and to find out how our home team is helping in communities, head to lowes.com/hometeamlocalheroes.